Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to upload long Steam artwork on your Steam profile. So let's go. steambackgrounds.com. Find your background of your likings. Anime, space, sky, graphics, blue, purple, violet, pink and other things. I'm gonna select purple backgrounds, and when you like something from here, just click on it and buy it. Of course, you need to buy it. Go to your Steam launcher and inventory, and you need to scroll. If you have wide selection, just find the background you bought and click view full size. Now copy this link and paste it in steam.design like this. It's gonna be random background for you, but just paste it here. And yeah, download zip. I'm not gonna download it because I downloaded it 1,000 times because I'm filming this for 100 times. Sorry guys for this, but so I'm gonna delete this file and make another one. You don't have to, but just create a new folder. That's what I wanted to say. So whatever you want, name it, and artwork middle and artwork right top, copy here, and we are going to go to another page. I'm gonna have all links in the description, so make sure to check that, and select this first artwork middle. So make sure it's full white like this, and you can adjust height at your likings. I'm just gonna, oh my god, no. Okay, just, oh sorry guys, just adjust it again, and I'm gonna make it longer height like this. And before you crop image, just go to snipping tool or any capture things and capture it like I just did. And now crop it. Download cropped image, and you can create a new folder and cropped, name it, so it's easier for you to find, but you can save it anywhere you want. And now go select images, and now artwork right top, and just white need to be extended to the most, and just you see here white, it's not gonna be the same, but height is important, and make sure to type numbers you have selected, and just click crop image and download cropped image, and I'm gonna paste it into new folder. And now most important thing, go to your Steam profile, artwork. You need to be level 10, so if you're not level 10 you can buy it for for $2 almost. So make sure to check my other tutorials how to get to level Steam 10 for free. Yeah, not the game specific, name it whatever you want, choose file, and I'm gonna select the folder cropped, and first artwork middle. Before that, go to anywhere from here and inspect element. Go to console and make sure to see console code from description or comments down below, and click enter. Oh my god, sorry, enter. And you don't need a description. I certify that I created this. It's gonna take, I think, minute for this automated, but yeah, you see here. And go to edit profile, featured showcase, and select this black border and save it. And do that also again, upload artwork, not game specific, and name it artwork or whatever you want. Sorry, artwork right top from cropped folder, right click here, inspect element, and do the same thing for that also. And description is not needed, save and continue. So at the left it's gonna be always your newest artworks, so select the left one. For your right when you, if you understand what I wanted to say. But yeah, that's it guys. When you're done that, just save it, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next one. Peace.